Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
High-waisted white leg
Today I
pants
am
outfit.
introducing a pants
High-waisted white
outfit.
leg pants outfit. Flow
A pants
every step,
outfit, a
creating a
perfect
soft,
combination
elongated
of
silhouette that feels
comfort and style
effortlessly
that
elegant. The
suits
fabric
almost
drapes like
all
liquid, giving
occasions,
the outfit
and the
defined
outfit
yet
usually
relaxed
includes
vibe.
a
Paired with
well-fitted
a
pair of
tucked-in
pants
satin
paired with
blouse and
matching or
minimal gold
contrasting
jewelry,
top,
the
creating a
look
clean and
balances
classic look.
sophistication with
Pants can be
comfort. The
straight cut,
structured
wide
fabric
leg, skinny, or
cinches
tailored.
the waist
A pants
beautifully
outfit is a
wide, the
versatile
leg
fashion choice
the
that
end
beautifully
movement
blends comfort,
and like
confidence, and
dramas
personal style.
finished
It
with the
can be
pointed
worn in
heels
daily
and
life
sleek
and work
handbags. This
while
outfit is ideal
traveling
for
or
polished
an
day look
even
on an
special
industry and
occasions.
evening
Depending on
style.
how
Straight leg
styles
tailored
pant
pant
come in
outfit.
many
These
designs
straight
such
leg
as
tailored
high-waisted,
pant bring
crop,
clean lines,
flat,
structure
or
and
skirt.
modern simplicity. The crisp
Beautifully blends comfort and
fabric holds
personal
its shape
style. It
while
can be
offering
worn
easy
in daily
comfort
life, at
throughout the
work,
day.
while traveling, or
Style with a
even at
fitted drip
special
neck
occasions,
top
depending
and
on how
lightweight
it is
blazers.
styled.
The
Pants
outfit
come in
feels
many
quick,
designs such as
fluffy and
high-waisted,
confident. Subtle
cropped,
pleats at the front
flat,
of the
straight,
give
or
define
plazo,
touch, while the
easing,
ankle and
giving a
skirt
perfect
showcases
different
classic
appearance
loafers or
and mood.
chic
A
heels,
well-fitted
perfect
pair
for office
pants
wear,
enhance the
meetings,
body
or
shape and
elevated
adds
casual
neat and
events.
graceful touch
This
to
look
the
is
entire
all
look.
about the
A
effortlessly
pants outfit is
polished
one
and
of the
timeless
most
style.
versatile and
Cargo
fashionable.
pants,
Clothing
street style
choices is
outfit.
more
These cargo pants
modern
define
style. It
street
offers a
style with
perfect
their
blend
relaxed fit and edgy
between
detailing.
comfort, elegance, and
Oversized
fashionability, making
pocket,
it suitable
adjustable
for daily
drawstrings,
wear
and the
as well as
strapped
special
hem give
occasions.
them
A
a
well-designed pair
defined
of pants can
forward that you
suitable
would
for
pair with
daily
cropped
wear as
graphic
well as
tee
special occasions.
and
A
chunky
well-designed pair
sneaker. The
of
outfit
pants can
adheres cool,
completely change the
confident. The
appearance of
soft,
an
breathable
outfit, giving
fabric
it a
makes
neat,
them perfect
structured,
for
and
everyday
confident
wear,
look.
while
From
the
casual jeans to
utility
form
inspired
trousers,
designs adds
pants come
characters
from
layered with an
in many
oversized
style cuts
denim
and
jacket.
fabrics,
This look
each creating
becomes
a
the
unique fashion
ultimate casual
statement.
statement piece,
The beauty of
blending
pants
comfort with
outfit
bold
lies in
urban
how
energy.
easily it
Slim
can
fit
be styled.
black
A simple
pant
pair of
evening
pants can
outfit.
be
The
transformed
slim
into a classy
fit back
outfit
plants
just by
outfits.
changing the top
The leg
accessories
with
when
the
paired with
sleek
a
seamless
crisp
finish,
button
creating
down
a
shirt
smooth
or a
foundation
stylish
for
blouse.
suffocation.
Pants look
Evening
formal,
look
professional, while
worn
a
a
soft
sequin
t-shirts or
top
sweaters
restructured off shoulder
gives a
blouse. The
relaxed and
outfit
casual
instantly
appearance.
feels glamorous
High-waisted pants
without
highlights the
being
waist and create a
overly
flattering
dramatic. The
shape,
high
while
waist
wide
adds
leg or
elegance,
plazo
while the small
pants
stretch
provide a
fabric
flowy and
ensure
elegant touch.
comfort.
Skinny
Style
and
with
straight
metallic
leg
heels
pants,
and
on
clutch
the other hand, offer a
disassemble
sharp and
strikes a
modern
perfect
look.
balance
Fabric
between
choice
cheap
plays a major
minimalistic
role in the
and
outfit
defines
final
sparkle
appearance.
idea
Cotton
for
and
dinners,
linen, it's
events, or
suitable for a
nighttime
daily wear
gatherings.
as well as
Plazos,
special occasions.
pants,
A
elegant
well-designed
outfit.
pair
These
pants
plazo
can
pant outfit
completely
offer
change the
sweeping
appearance of
movement
a
and soft
outfit,
elegance
giving a
designed
neat,
for
suitable,
movement when you
structured,
want to
and
feel
confident
both
look.
free and
From
graceful.
casual
Crafted
jeans
from
and
airy
formal
chiffon
trousers,
or
pants
crepe, the
come in
pants
many styles,
glide
cuts, and
gently with
fabrics.
every motion,
Each
paired with
create
a
a
fitted
unique
bodysuit
fashion
or a
statement.
delicate lace
From
blouse. The
casual jeans to
outfit
formal trousers,
becomes a
pants come
harmony
in
of
many
flow,
style
structure,
cuts
and
and
tiny
fabric,
belt
each
creating a
creates
unique
and
the
fashion
waist, while
statement. The beauty
delicate
of a
heels
pants
complete
outfit
the
lies in how
silhouette,
easily
ideal for
it can be
parties,
styled. A
meeting, or
simple
any
pair of
occasions,
pants
calling
can
the
be
dramatic
transformed
yet
into classy
effortlessly
outfit.
style
Linen
just by
white leg
changing the
pants
top of
outfit summer.
accessories when paired with a
These
base button down shirt
linen
or
white leg
stylish
pants
blouses.
outfit
Pants
bring
look
breezy
formal and
sophistication
professional,
to
while a
warm
soft
weather, dressing
shirt
natural textures of the
sweaters gives a
fabric at
relaxed
the
and casual appearance.
effortless
High-waisted
organic
pants
fabric at
highlight
end,
the waist, create a
while the
flattering
relaxed
shape,
cut give the
while white
body
leg or
room to breathe.
plazos pants
Pants
provide a
provide a
flowy and
tucked
elegant
in
touch.
lightweight
Skinny and straight
camisoles.
leg pants
Layered
on
with a
the other
soft
hand offer a
oversized sharp and
cardigan. The
modern
outfit
look, fabric
whisper
choice
liquid
plays a
luxury,
major role
neutral
in
sandals
the
and
outfit
woven
final
bag
appearance.
complete
Cotton
the
and
look,
linen
giving it a
plazo
calm
pants provide a
occasion
flowy,
ready vibe
elegant
perfect
touch.
for beach
Skinny and
days,
straight leg
brunch
pants, on
days,
the other
and
hand,
screen
offer a
outdoor
sharp and
evening.
modern look. Fabric choices
Pleated
plays a
front
major role
pants,
in the
classic chic
outfit
outfit.
final
These
appearance.
pleated
Fabric choices plays a major
outfit
role
blends
in the
timeless
outfit
style with
final
modern
appearance.
ease. A
Cotton and
simple
linen
creates
pants
impact
ideal for
and
warm
structure,
weather
enhancing the
because
wear,
they are light and
lightweight, a
breathable,
graceful drape
while
down the
wool
leg,
and
worn
thick
with a crisp
materials were
button
best
down
in
shirt and
colder
delicate
seasons.
pearl
Denim
accessories
pants are
assemble
timeless and
radiate,
suitable
define
for every
elegance. The
age,
ankle length hem draws attention to
making them a
polished heel,
perfect
making the
and
outfit
wide
suitable
wardrobe
for
item.
work,
Patterns
semi-formal
such as
events, or
checks, shapes,
elevated
or solid
everyday
colors allow
style.
people
Every
to
detail
express their
feels
personal style.
intentional,
Dark tones
balanced, and
give a bold
beautifully
and formal
composed.
look,
Leather
while
pants,
lighter
bold night
shades appear
outfits.
fresh and
These sleek
youthful.
leather
accessories
been
and
designed for a
the
dramatic,
outfit. A
high-impact
stylish
look
belt
that
not
not
only
only
holds
holds
the
effortlessly
effortlessly
in
their
place but
glossy
also
finish
adds
catches the
fashion
eye with every step,
details, shoes
creating a
like sneakers,
magnetic
heels,
confident
sandals,
style with
all
fitted
offers
mesh
completely
top
change the mood
or a
of the
shimmering
outfit.
metallic
Jewelry, watches, handbags, or
blouses.
sunglasses
The outfit
add
speaks
elegance
pure
and
attitude, the
personality,
high
even
waistband, small
small
curve, while the
logo.
trapped legs elongated the silhouette paired with silk boots or G-statement clutch. This look delivers bold glamour for parties, concerts, or late night events. Flared pants retro glamour outfits. These flared pants channel retro glamour with their exaggerated silhouette and smooth body hugging fit through the tights, the dramatic flare creating a stunning movement and long skirted look paired with a tucked-in chiffon blouse or slung turtleneck, and the outfit becomes a beautiful fusion of old school's elegance and modern charm. Platform heels enhance the length while bold accessories complete the vintage-inspired aesthetic, ideal for event, photo shoot, or anyone wanting a watch 70s luxury knit-ribbed pant out cozy luxe outfit. These knit-ribbed pant refine comfort with a luxe longer inspired feel. The soft stretchy fabric mold gently to the body, offering bold warmth and sophistication. Styled with a matching top or oversized sweaters, the outfit feels like a wearable, warm, perfect for chill days, traveling or casual cafe outings. The suitable vertical ribbing elongate the legs while maintaining accessories. Maintain the soft, relaxed look paired with the slip-on mules or clean sneakers. This assemble radiates cozy chicks. Satin straight leg pants luxe evening outfit. These satin straight leg pants outfit shine with a soft liquid sheen that elevates any evening assemble. Their smooth drape and gentle flow create a refined silhouette that moves while elegance paired with silhouette that moves with the elegance paired with a structured corset top or delicate silk blouses. The outfit feels luxurious yet understand the high waist enhance the shape while the glossy finish adds instant glamour. Style with the strap, heels, dainty jewelry and chic clutches. This look perfect for dinners, parties and special nights out. High waist trouser with belted these high-waisted trousers feature a sculpted waistband with a statement belt cinches beautifully at the waist, defining the shape with the precision. The fabric falls gracefully into a tailored straight leg cut, balancing the structure and softness. Worn with a fitted knit or an elegant blouses, the outfit radiates the modern sophistication, polished bum, and minimal handbag tie the look together, making it ideal for office wear presentations or any occasion. Wear effortless confidence key, relaxed fit jogger pants, aesthetic outfit. These relaxed jogger pants combine comfort with street ready style crafted from soft brushes fabric. They offer a cozy feel while maintaining a sleek shape. Paired with a fitted crop hoodie or a basic tank and bomber jacket, the outfit becomes a perfect blend of sporty ease of fashion forward flair. The elastic cuffs highlight trendy sneakers and subtle accessories complete the laid-back but polished vibe, perfect for travel days, errands, or casual city strolls. Printed palazzo pants boho gum outfit. These printed palazzo pants bring boho energy with their bold patterns and sweeping movement. The lightweight fabric creates a dream-like flow, making every step look effortless. Pair them with a simple fitted top to balance the print, or choose the layers trim blouses for a more vibe look. Layer with long necklace, chunky bangles, or a framing kimono, and enhance the free-spirited aesthetic. Sandals or wedge complete the look, ideal for beach parties, vacations, or outdoor gatherings. Crop tailored pant, minimal elegance outfit. These crop tailored pants define minimalistic with their clean lines and precise silhouette. The ankle grazing length highlights heel or elegance flat, adding a polished touch. Worn with the structured blazers and a soft camisole, the outfit blends business chic with feminine charm. The crisp fabric holds its shape all day, making it ideal for work days, semi-formal functions, or luxe casual outings. Simple accessories keep them look modern, refined, and timeless. Velvet pant luxe winter evening outfit. These velvet pants create a warm, opulent silhouette with their plush textures and deep, rich color. The fabric catches the light in soft waves, adding instant luxury to the outfit. Paired with a fitted cashmere turtleneck or shimmering sequin blouses, the look becomes a perfect balance of winter warmth and evening glamour. The high waist elongated the body, while helded boots or silhouette give a refined finish, ideal for holidays, parties, winters events, or elegant nights. Waistband chic feminine outfit. These perfects waistband combine softness and structure with their gathered waistline and tight belt detail. The aviated waist create a delicate feminine shape, while the relaxed leg adds effortless charm. Styled with a tucked-in soft blouse or a slim fit knit top, the outfit gives a beautifully balanced silhouette. Neutral heels or pointed flats elevate the look, making it refined enough for meeting, brunch dates, or polished everyday wear. Minimal jewelry allow the waist detail to shine as the star element. Metallic pants, high fashion party outfits. These metallic pants are bold, radiant, and designed for wearless fashion moments, and the reflection finish catches every sparkle in the room, creating a striking high fashion effect paired with a black satin top or an embellished crop blouse. The outfit becomes a show shopping party look. The slim fit sculpts the leg while the glossy sheen brings a frustrating edge, complete with his strappy heels and sleek accessories. Disassemble perfect for parties, concerts, and glamour. Nylite scans, wool trousers, classic winter elegance. These wool trousers bring timeless elegance with their structured shape and smooth winter texture. The fabric offers warmth while maintaining a polished silhouette paired with a long sleeve silk blouse or fitted blazer. The outfit radiates sophistication. The straight leg cut adds a touch of authority, making it ideal for office wear, formal gatherings, leather boots, or heeled loafer complete the refined vintage aesthetic, while earnest and jewelry keeps the look clean and classy. Denim wide leg pants, modern casual outfit. These denim wide leg pants outfit deliver a modern laid back vibe, weathered, relaxed silhouette and soft wrapping denim. The high waist and wide hem create a trendy, elongated shape that flatters effortlessly, paired with a tucked-in basic tee or a cropped sweater. The outfit becomes a perfect mix of comfort and style. Add stickers for casual calm and block heels for dress-up twist. This look fit everyday routines, coffee dates, or relaxed urban outings. While is structured pleated trouser, power dress outfit. These structured pleated trousers are crafted for a powerful, commanding look. The front pleats add a defined shape that enhances the waist, while the straight leg cut creates a clean and unpleated line from tip to hem, paired with sharp blazer and silky linen. For top outfit speaks authority and elegance. The crisp fabric maintains it from giving the ensemble a tailored finish. Pointed pumps and minimal jewelry complete the polished boardroom ready aesthetics of draped pants. Minimal outfit. These soft draped pants for gracefully with every movement, creating a gentle feminine flow and feels effortlessly poetic. The lightweight fabric gathers supplely at the waist, offering comfort without losing shape, paired with a delicate lace or top smooth satin. The outfit radiates the strappy heels and soft toned flats enhance the dreamy silhouette, making this look ideal for date nights, garden events, or elegant daytime affair. Two-tone split hem pants, trendy modern outfit. These two-tone split hem pants outfit define modern style with their bold color and contrast and edgy silhouette. The split hem adds movement and showcase heels or stylish sneakers, while the dull colors create a high impact visual statement paired with a fitted monochrome top or cropped blazer. The outfit feels fresh, youthful, and fashion forward, perfect for social media content, street style shoot, or standard events. These pants turns a simple outfit into a trendsetter movement. Pants retro warm style. These pants bring cozy retro from charm with their textured ridges and earthy tones. The fabric is soft and warm, making them ideal for cooler days while maintaining stylish structure paired with a chunky knit sweater or tucked into a turtleneck. The look becomes a blend of vintage comfort and contemporary appeal. Brown boots or suede loafers complete the warmth nostalgic finish, perfect for autumn outings, cafe days, or relaxed weekend styles. Cigarette pants, elegant formal look. These cigarette pants sculpted the legs with a sleek, narrow silhouette that executes your application. The tailored fit creates a refined line, making them perfect for base, formal, and semi-formal outfits styled with a silk wrap top or a beaded blouse. The look feels polished and elevated. The ankle length cut highlights heels, while the clean waistband keeps the focus on the streamlined shape, ideal for evening dinner celebration or chic office wear. Tie waist plazo pant floor feminine outfit. These tie waisted plazo pants outfit graceful movement and soft femininity. The adjustable belt allow for a perfectly changed waist, while the wide leg create a flowing, elegant silhouette paired with fitted bodysuit or a refined blouses. The outfit becomes an airy, sophisticated look. Minimal heels and subtle jewelry maintain the delicate vibe, perfect for summer parties, evening gathering, or any moment where effortless elegance is desired. Leather joggers at Sea Street Luxury. These cropped leather Joggers combine fitter's ease with high fashion attitude. The glossy surface adds instant edge, while the jogger style fit brings comfort and laid back confidence paired with an oversized graphic tee or a fitted crop jacket. The outfit becomes a bold statement. Chunky sneakers or heel boots both work beautifully, enhancing the modern urban feel. Great for nights outing, city walks, or trendy content creation. Satin flare pants outfit evening glow. These satin flare pants radiates evening glamour with their shimmering fluid surface that catches the light in every movement. The fitted waist and hips sculpted the silhouette, while the dramatic flare adds length and elegance, paired with an off-shoulder setting top or a crystal embellished blouse. The outfit is more beautiful